Market update, Viva market update. Very quick market update, just to see where we are in terms of the market. Um, we are since March. I've been talking about this market going down. We're gonna take a look at some of my old videos, and then we'll take a look to see what we heading from now on, because it's gonna be a long a long day, man. A long day. No, it's gonna be a long year though. 2022, it'll be um we could say it will be a very um a year that will bring a lot of pain, at the same time a lot of opportunity. So let's take a look at a long-term goals, right? Okay, so now we are very extreme here. These numbers, 11. It kind of reminds me back in March 2020 when we got the pandemic. Yesterday, extreme fear 18. Last week 28. Last month 30. So we are very low. It might take a couple months for us to get a significant bounce. I believe if there's a ceasefire between the war, what's going on in Europe between Russia and Ukraine, that could help pump a little bit. Okay, so take a look at blockchaincenter.net. You guys know I always come back to this. We are at the very dark green, which is accumulating. So pay attention, do your research. The only thing that I suggest is do your DCA, for those that know what DCA is. So that could help. Okay, besides that, we are accumulating, as you can see. Now let's take a look who's controlling the market. Is it the altcoins? Is it the Bitcoin? Who's losing the most right now? So, okay, as you can see right here, it says altcoin season index. At the bottom, you can see it's not an altcoin season. You can see the whole season right now. It's on Bitcoin side. So, if you wanna, everybody says if you want to stay safe, probably will be better if you stay in Bitcoin. If you don't want to put in different assets, but you know. Okay, so monthly, if you can see, this month so far is Bitcoin. Last month was the same thing, was Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. So far we are Bitcoin. We might get a little pump back to 40 or 39. Who knows? Because there's so many things played out right now. So never know what's going to happen the next day. Okay, guys. The very last video I made, I talked about what we call the DXY, which is the dollar index, which I compare the chart with Bitcoin chart, and they have some correlation, and which is not really a correlation, but when the DXY is on the top, is going up, normally Bitcoin goes down. So when the DXY goes down, we got a rally for Bitcoin. So right now we actually looking at DXY, which is the daily time frame, and you can see he had a small pullback right here. Now he keeps going up. So what does that mean for Bitcoin? Yeah, we know. Bitcoin just keeps going down. If you want to take a look, I went in a little details in terms of comparing the two charts. If you can look at it, I posted on April 21, 2022, which is there's only one view, which means you guys are not actually watching what's going on. So, but the info is here. You know, take your time. The info is there. Go and take a look. There's one more indicator for you guys to take a look. I know it's a lot of info that you get online. For those that are following, the info is there. Just take a look. I want to take a look at something that I've been warning you guys since March the 27th. This is when I released a video saying that the market is going to go down because of it's forming a bearish flag, and then we actually discussed a little bit more on April 4th. Yeah. What else? And then we discussed yeah, March 30th. I also talked about a little bit on that. And but the very first time when I spotted the pattern, it was March 27. I talked about it. I warned you guys, be careful because you know bear flags, they always gonna go down. It's 99%, right? Okay, so now let's go back and let's take a look at Bitcoin and just to see where we are. I left the same last time I talked to you guys. We took a look and it was actually we I think it was a daily time frame. Yeah. Let me just clear some. Okay, let me just okay, just clear this up so we just clear. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. Let's make sure the screen is okay. Cool. Um, awesome, awesome. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna darken so we can see the very first pattern that I got and I showed you guys on March 27th. Here it is. As you can see, I put it in white because you know how it is. All right. So you guys are seeing this little purple box that you guys see here. This is a couple weeks ago. I noticed there's a lot of activities within the big bucks, people that actually purchase a lot of Bitcoin, and they actually be purchasing a lot of Bitcoin between 33 and 37. So which means we might get a small pump to 37. And as you can see here, he actually almost touched 30, he almost touched the bottom of this box that I drew, which is 33,070. He almost, but it came very close. And then what we see here, it looks like the buyers are coming in and start purchasing this. And we're looking at daily time frame. If we switch to 4 hours time frame, I believe we get a green candle. Here it is. So if we go even lower, let's take a 2 hour time frame and so we can see. Yeah, here it is. So you guys can see there's let me just pull this. Yeah, if you be trading on a lower time frame, so you probably be longing, but in a higher time frame going down. So take a look at that. It's play exactly. So we might see because of that, it might be we might get into consolidation for probably for a week, and then we might get a pump to 35, and then we'll probably go up to 37 and then just come back down. Or we might just come back and retest 35 and then just straight down again. Because the only support I see, I'm gonna show you guys here. If he breaks this purple box that I drew here, which there's a lot of activity here in terms of the wells, right? So if he breaks that, so the next The next guy, what I see right here is 30,000. And then 30,000. Let's just go back in the past and see what's going on. 30. Okay, what's going on here? My goodness. Okay, here it is. Um, 30,000. Let's just go back. Where it is. Okay, well, okay, where it is. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna highlight so you guys can see what I'm saying. See right here, this is the 30,000. You can see there's a strong support here. Um, and right, I think I need to switch that to white so you guys can see it. Phoebe, I'm not using Phoebe. Why is he here? I do not know. I do not know why is he here. Okay. Okay. Let's switch to white so I can see what I'm doing because I can hardly see what's going on. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. I know what's going on, so let's go back to the dark theme. Okay. All right. Let's just lower a little bit here because I'm gonna show you guys how far Bitcoin could actually go. Um, so might be a little scary for those people. Actually getting the new people that coming in the market. As you know, cryptocurrency is a risk asset class, which is very volatile. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money, you can lose everything, and then you just start over, man, and just learn from your mistakes. Always ask for opinions for people that have been in the market for as long as it's been live, or just pay for someone to teach you. Everybody has some type of secret they learn along the way, especially for those people that actually make money. So they always have something to share with you. So whether you pay for it or whether you get it for free, some people don't want to tell you the whole secret. There's not really a secret, but it's the experience that he got. He might not tell you the whole thing. He might just want to get his time to be. You gotta pay for his time, man. He if you notice in life is that's just like that. It might took 5 years to make 5 years to get him where he is right now. He made a lot of mistakes. He paid for it because it's very costly when you make a lot of mistakes, and it takes a long time for you to actually perfect your strategy. So it's only right when people pay for knowledge because you're gonna get, you know, you get a little bit for free, and you get a lot when you pay for people how they actually teach you. Okay, so I still my brush is still not working. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, but you can just see my circle here. What I'm doing with my circle. I just want you guys to focus there. Here's 30,000. If you look at this white line right here, it actually crosses some of the 30,000 support here. As you can see, there's a lot of activity on 30,000 right here, 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 here. So The strongest support for Bitcoin would be 30,000. We might get a kick back up soon as it touch 30,000. Or we might get a small one, a very small one here. What I'm saying, at the very bottom of my purple box, might get a pullback there, a small one, and then keep coming down. And as soon as we get to 30,000, we might just get a pump back to 33. But now, for those that trade, you know exactly how do you measure. So for you to determine how far Bitcoin may go, what you do, you go to the top of the market where it was the top, and then you come down to very okay. Why? I don't understand why my line is not working. Hold on. Right here it is. It's black too, so beautiful. Okay, 1 second. Awesome. Now let me switch to color so you guys can see it. Get right here. Let's actually put it a thicker. Okay, right there. So you come from the top and then to the very bottom of the wedge when it started. And then what you do is just grab that and then you put it right here where the breakout started, which was the very right over here. It's not perfect, but yeah. So what we wow, this is crazy. Okay. Oh wow. What I'm seeing, okay, let me just pull a little bit here so you guys can see it as well. So we're looking at wow, that can't be right. Oh my goodness. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. We're looking at nah, that's just not right, man. Did I put it right when he broke up? Hold on a second. Yeah. When he break out, he broke out right over here. Just put it right there. Yeah, so wow. Okay, so the thing is, you guys are seeing right now is 4,724. I don't think it's going down to that. It's not like you know. I'm not gonna say because now is a different time of you know there's a different market. We have more liquidity and all that stuff. No, I'm not gonna say that. I know a lot of people say that because you know it's things sometimes happens when we don't expect to happen. So what I believe, I'll tell you guys. Hold on, let me see if actually I drew. Well, hold on, let me actually clear that. Let's do it again because I think I might did it wrong. Okay, here in the top, okay, very top, and then ah, yeah, Yuri, come on, you. What you do is you drew right over here. Yeah, right there. And then you take that and then you put it where the breakout happened. Breakout happening right over right there. Yeah. Okay. So now let's see. Okay. So what we get it is 16,000. You know, based on that, if you look right here, there's a lot of support and resistance right here at 16,000. 16,000, 20,000. So this is saying that we might get to 16,000. Will it get to 16,000? I'm not going to stay, saying that it might not or it may. Or we'll just, for us investors, you gotta put your hat, your investor hat right now, and you gotta look at a long term. Short term, we might even short term, I believe we might get to 25, 20,000. Long term, we going to the moon. I don't know what we're gonna get, how we're gonna get it, but the future is bright. Okay, so um, this is the analysis for now. We're gonna keep tracking on that. I'm gonna keep updating you guys. I know a lot of you people asking me. I've been out of YouTube for a bit and from the WhatsApp group. No, we just been doing a lot of research, a lot of research. We're gonna put up some great videos for you guys in terms of how to invest, how to focus, especially how to focus, because you don't want to buy all the coins in every category. You got to master one or two category, and then look what the opportunity is. Look at the top coins and then the upcoming coins, even the ICOs as well, because there's a lot of great companies that are coming up, and most of them they don't want to come out in the bear market. Some they come out, they pump the price, and then the price just goes to the dirt. So those might be a great opportunity. One of the companies that's actually suffering a lot, as you guys know, is one of my favorite, which is Omi. If you look at it, we can take a look quick right here. The video is actually getting longer. I'm gonna stop soon. Just give me 1 second. Let's just take a look at Omi. Switch that to crypto. Here it is, Omi. You can take a look at. Okay. All right, guys. This is, yeah, you can call it the greatest opportunity or not, because it just broke the lowest back in 2021, which was 0.0025. Right now we are a 0.0019. So don't take my word for it. Just do your research. As you can see on a daily time frame, we have a diversion here that I just saw it right now, right over here. No, it's not actually, it's not a diversion because it's actually going down. I'm sorry, guys. It's not a diversion. They're just going down. There's no diversion here. Okay, so this, as you can see, I've been tracking that for some time, and it actually broke out the support line that I drew. So yeah, guys, yeah, start taking a look. There's great companies. See what's going on. If there's they haven't stopped developing, they haven't stopped building partnerships. One of the other coins that I told you guys, I made a video, is Casper. Casper is layer one. It's great team. As you can see, Casper been holding this. Take a look right here. Casper's been holding 0.054. It's actually bounced, made a very huge bounce. Even broke the resistance. He actually now is coming back here. If Casper, if it breaks the 54, we're looking at 0.047. If he actually comes to 0.047, I'm gonna start accumulating. I did a very extensive research in Casper, and I'm just gonna keep accumulating as much as I can, very slowly, because I don't know how far it goes. I'm telling you guys, do your research on Casper, because Casper hasn't stopped making partnerships, making great stuff coming. So it's a very great company, but it's Casper is very risky opportunity because it's a new company. It's probably been in the market for a year and a half, 2 years. So be careful in that. Okay, now I see a diversion right here. So right over here. Now that's a diversion. So it's actually making low lows, but right here we have this small diversion. We can actually look at the top to see what we have here. Yeah, right here. See, if you look at it, it's actually going down, but we have a diversion here at the bottom. So we might get a small pump, very small pump. We look at Casper. The other one is Gala. I think Gala is one of the very best opportunities here for gaming companies. I've been tracking that for some time because I want to get in when it gets to point between at the bottom of my orange line, which is 0.889, or at the very support that is 0.004. If it gets to that, I'm accumulating more as well. But as you know, Gala is top studio for crypto and gaming coins. All right, guys, this all for today. Next video, we're gonna do some videos. We'll do videos to help you guys how to focus on the bear market, how to prepare for the bull. It might take a couple of years till we get back to bull, or it might take a couple months because we never know if the world ends um, and then we get into recession and the governments they panic because the recession is very bad, not even compared to 2028. They're gonna insert a lot of trillions in the market just to incentivize the market to pump up. So that could be the last pump. That could be the greatest opportunity just to make some cash, stay on the sideline and buy some commodities. I'm not gonna mention which, but it will be a great opportunity to get some commodities to get into some solid investment. And yeah, and just prepare for what's coming because what's coming is not too good, guys. Be talking that for a long as I remember, telling you guys to be prepared, man. Yeah. So see ya, like the videos, comment, and let's stay positive, brothers, because you know it is. The short term things looks very bad, and the long term things they look very good, and then people just start forming in instead of forming in now. It's just learning how to buy in a bear market, right? All right, so I'll talk to you guys later, and yeah, let's keep it up, guys. Let's keep it up.